Welcome back, beauties. I'm finally bringing you a simple Ayurvedic routine that will definitely leave your hair shiny and soft. I got to partner with Henna Sooq for this video and was given a wide selection to start my wash day off. For this wash day, I was mainly focused on growth and shine. So you guys already know what that means. Yep, I'm going to be making a amla mask. Now, I'm using a simple recipe that I just created into my head. You guys don't have to follow it to the T, but if you do, I'm letting you know this mask is going to leave your hair super defined and really soft. I'm starting off on a 6-day-old wash and go. I pretty much had my hair in a high bun for about 2 days. So this is the first time I'm actually taking it down. And surprisingly, my hair was not dry. It was nice and soft. So I did record a previous Amla Prepoo video. If you guys haven't seen that, you can go ahead and check it out. Just like the previous video, I spritz my hair with water. I do a little finger detangling. And then I apply the alma from roots all the way down to the ends, making sure that my hair is detangled and well defined. I've been using amla for the past month, and let me tell you, it's always going to be part of my hair routine. Henna Sooq makes a great high quality amla. The powder mixed very well and did not leave any residue in my hair. Ooh, the results, right? Okay, so now it's time to make the henna gloss to give me strength, moisturize, and nourish my hair, giving it a nice, vibrant shine. This is my first time ever using a henna gloss, and this reminded me of chocolate. It smelled like chocolate while I was cooking it up. Literally, I was like, no, I can't eat it. But it was super easy. All you have to do is warm it up on low. Do not burn it. And you can add whatever you want to it. Look how smooth that comes out. I was like, damn. And when you put that on your skin, do you see that shine, baby? That's what I'm putting into my hair. And I went in with some coconut milk because the recipe says it's good to add a little bit of coconut milk. You can tweak it to how you like it. You don't have to add coconut milk. Literally, I felt like I was making like a nice chocolate mousse for my hair. So after that cooled down for a bit, I applied it to damp hair. You do not want to apply to wet hair because this stuff will get everywhere. And I apply it the same way like I apply my alma, from the roots all the way down to the ends. And it was so soft. Literally felt like I was putting butter in my hair. Now, because there is henna inside of this mixture, so if your hair is a lighter color, you will get a little bit of that red tint. I absolutely loved my results. It wasn't weighed down. It was super soft. To seal it all in, I'm using apple cider vinegar, which is basically 1 part ACV and 2 parts water. And then I'm using a tiny bit of the Henna Sooq organic amla oil. Love it. And then I'm going to be using the Ayurvedic coconut infused oil. Oh my gosh, this stuff smelled like coconut. love it. I know some of you are like, oh my gosh, that's a lot of oil, but truly it was not a lot. After this, I rinsed my hair out in the water and I was left with super soft, shiny, luscious hair. And these are my results. I'm definitely going to be bringing you guys more Ayurvedic routines. I want to thank Henna Sooq for hooking me up. More videos to come. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you for the next video.